Tom is a student. He wakes up early every morning and eats breakfast. He usually has cereal and milk. After breakfast, Tom brushes his teeth and gets dressed. Then, he goes to school. At school, Tom studies math, English, and science. He has many friends at school. They often play soccer during lunchtime. After school, Tom goes home and does his homework. He sometimes listens to music while he works. When he finishes his homework, he helps his mom cook dinner. In the evening, Tom likes to watch TV with his family. They watch comedies and dramas together. After the TV show, Tom takes a shower and goes to bed. He needs to get plenty of sleep for school the next day. Tom enjoys his simple life. He likes to study, play with his friends, and spend time with his family. Sarah works at a bookstore. She loves books and enjoys helping customers find the perfect book to read. When she arrives at work, she turns on the lights and opens the store. She checks her emails and makes a to-do list for the day. Throughout the day, Sarah helps customers find books they will love. She recommends new releases and classic favorites. She also helps customers find books for their children or as gifts for friends and family. During her break, Sarah sits outside and reads a book. She loves the feeling of getting lost in a good story. After her break, she goes back to work and continues to help customers. At the end of the day, Sarah turns off the lights and closes the store. She counts the cash register and makes sure everything is tidy. Then, she locks the door and goes home. Sarah enjoys her job at the bookstore. She loves books and enjoys sharing her passion with others. Mark is a musician. He plays the guitar and writes songs. He spends most of his day practicing his music. He enjoys playing in front of people and sharing his music with the world. Mark wakes up early every morning and eats breakfast. He usually has eggs and toast. Then, he picks up his guitar and begins to practice. He spends several hours playing and singing. During his break, Mark likes to take a walk and get some fresh air. He often listens to music and gets inspiration for new songs. In the afternoon, Mark spends time writing songs. He writes about his experiences and emotions. He hopes that his music will connect with others and inspire them. In the evening, Mark likes to perform at local coffee shops and bars. He enjoys the energy of the crowd and the feeling of playing his music for others. After his performance, he goes home and goes to bed, ready to do it all again the next day. Mark loves being a musician. He enjoys the process of creating and performing music. Lena is a teacher. She loves working with children and helping them learn new things. She teaches at an elementary school and has a classroom full of eager students. Lena arrives at school early in the morning and prepares her classroom for the day. She sets up her lesson plans. Then, she greets her students as they come into the classroom. Throughout the day, Lena teaches a variety of subjects, including math, reading, and science. She uses fun activities and games to keep her students engaged and excited to learn. During recess, Lena supervises her students as they play outside. She enjoys watching them interact and play together. After school, Lena stays late to grade papers and prepare for the next day. Lena loves being a teacher. She enjoys helping her students learn and grow. Jake is a graphic designer. He loves to create visual designs that are both beautiful and functional. He works for a small design agency. Jake arrives at work in the morning and checks his email. He responds to client requests and sets up meetings with his team. Then, he begins to work on his current design projects. Jake spends most of his day working on the computer. He uses software like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop to create designs for logos, websites, and marketing materials. During his break, Jake likes to take a walk outside and get some fresh air. He often takes pictures of interesting designs he sees around him for inspiration. In the afternoon, Jake continues to work on his designs. After work, Jake likes to work on personal design projects. He enjoys creating designs for fun and experimenting with new techniques. Jake loves being a graphic designer. He enjoys the process of creating visual designs that help businesses succeed. Samantha is a nurse. She works at a hospital. She is responsible for caring for patients. Samantha arrives at the hospital early in the morning and receives her patient assignments for the day. She reviews their medical records and diagnoses to ensure she knows what care they need. Throughout the day, Samantha takes care of her patients' basic needs. She also communicates with doctors and other healthcare professionals to ensure her patients receive the best care possible. Samantha also provides emotional support to her patients and their families. She listens to their concerns and provides reassurance and comfort when needed. She enjoys building relationships with her patients and seeing them recover. In the afternoon, Samantha continues to care for her patients. She helps them with physical therapy and other treatments to aid in their recovery. Samantha loves being a nurse. She enjoys helping her patients recover and providing them with the care and support they need during a difficult time. Mark is a software engineer. He loves to create software that solves problems and makes people's lives easier. He works for a tech company that creates innovative software solutions for businesses. Mark arrives at work in the morning and checks his email. He responds to client requests and sets up meetings with his team. Then, he begins to work on his current coding projects. Mark spends most of his day working on the computer. He uses programming languages like Java and Python to write code for software applications. During his break, Mark likes to take a walk outside and clear his mind. He often listens to podcasts and reads articles related to his field to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Mark loves being a software engineer. He enjoys the process of solving problems and creating software that makes people's lives easier. He feels fulfilled knowing that his work is making a positive impact on the world. John is a sales representative. He loves to connect with people and help them find solutions to their problems. He works for a company that sells medical equipment to hospitals and clinics. John starts his day by checking his emails and voicemails. He responds to inquiries from potential customers and follows up with existing clients. Throughout the day, John makes phone calls and visits hospitals and clinics to promote his company's products. He meets with doctors, nurses, and administrators to discuss their needs and recommend solutions that meet their requirements. During his breaks, John likes to grab a quick lunch and chat with his colleagues about their sales strategies and successes. In the afternoon, John continues to make sales calls and visits. He makes sure to follow up with potential customers and provide them with the information they need to make informed purchasing decisions. After work, John likes to review his sales numbers and plan for upcoming meetings and presentations. John loves being a sales representative. He enjoys the challenge of connecting with people and finding solutions to their problems. Emma is a babysitter. She loves spending time with kids and helping families out. She is responsible for taking care of children when their parents are away. Emma starts her day by reviewing the schedule for the day, which includes pick-up and drop-off times, meal and snack times, and any activities that the children have planned. Throughout the day, Emma keeps the children entertained by playing games, reading stories, and doing arts and crafts. She also makes sure that they eat nutritious meals and snacks, and follows any special instructions given by the parents. During her breaks, Emma likes to check in with the parents and provide updates on how the day is going. She also takes time to tidy up the play area and prepare for the next activity. After work, Emma likes to review any notes or messages from the parents and tidy up the play area. She also likes to reflect on the day and plan activities for the next time she babysits. Emma loves being a babysitter. She enjoys spending time with children and seeing them learn and grow. David is a pizza delivery driver. He works for a local pizza restaurant and is responsible for delivering pizzas to customers in a timely and friendly manner. David starts his day by checking his delivery schedule and preparing the pizzas for delivery. He makes sure that each pizza is made to the customer's specifications and is packaged securely for transport. Throughout the day, David delivers pizzas to customers at their homes, workplaces, and other locations. He uses a GPS navigation system to find the most efficient routes and ensures that the pizzas arrive hot and fresh. During his breaks, David likes to chat with his coworkers and grab a quick snack. He also takes time to check his delivery schedule and make any necessary adjustments. After work, David likes to rest and relax. He also takes time to review his delivery records and make notes for any areas of improvement. David loves being a pizza delivery driver. He enjoys meeting new people and exploring different areas of the city. He takes pride in his work and strives to provide the best possible service to his customers.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.